Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to sign a PDF document using a certificate-based digital signature in Adobe Acrobat. It's a very easy process, so watch the video till the end. Step 1. Install Adobe Acrobat. Go to the description box and click on the first link. This will take you directly to the website. There, you can get a free trial option. I have made a dedicated video for that, which I will link in the description box as well, so you can check that out if you face any issues. Once you have Adobe Acrobat running on your computer, you need to have your document ready, which you want to sign on. As you can see, I have it here. It's a very simple process. Once your document is opened in Acrobat, you'll see the All Tools option on the side. Click on it, then select Fill and Sign. Wait a moment for it to load, and you'll find an option labeled Add Signature. Click on the plus icon next to it. Adobe will then prompt you to either type or draw your signature. Choose the Draw option and use your mouse to sign in the provided box by clicking and holding the left mouse button. Make sure the sign doesn't exceed the box. Click on Apply, and you will get this floating sign, which is ready to be placed anywhere that you want to put it in your document. Click on your mouse once you have decided the perfect spot to put the sign, and you will have your signed document. Now here is the fun part. You don't have to create your sign again and again. You can create it once and Adobe Acrobat will save it, thus you can sign as many times as you want on as many documents that you want. You can quickly access your e-signature by simply clicking the pen icon on the side. Another feature I'd like to show you is the Initials option. This allows you to add dates as well. Just enter the date here and you can either type or draw it. I'll type it for now. Click Apply and then place the date under my signature. Now, just save a copy for the file and you will have your signed document. Once a PDF is signed with a digital e-sign, it becomes read-only for everyone, including the signer. Always save an unsigned copy of the document before signing. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.